Hello and welcome back to my channel. This is Home Switch, where we talk about fashion illustrations, fashion for your weather, fashion for your soul, and anything else that I truly want to talk about. Politics, workouts, home routine, food, emotions, sadness, happiness, anything I want to talk about. That's what this channel is about, but it's mostly geared towards fashion. Now, with that being said, we are not talking about fashion or fashion industry topic today. Today we are talking about what to do when there is nothing to do. The only reason why you clicked on this particular video is because you are bored out of your mind. I can guarantee that, and I know exactly how you feel. Like, boredom is a thing and we are here to cure boredom. Now let's get straight into the video. We're not wasting any time today. Number one thing you can do when you're bored is read a book. Now, I know you're like, I'm bored, so I should go and read a book. That is even more boring. No. Find a book that interests you. There are different types of books in this world, like from kids books to adult books to like educational books to self-improvement books to fiction, romance, Christian books, religious books, different types of books. I'm pretty sure there's something out there that fits your interest. So find what you're interested in. If you're someone who likes sci-fi, there are sci-fi books. If you like action movies, there are action books. Like, there are amazing authors out there, and you just need to find a book. See, there's something about reading a book, right? It works all in your imagination. If you're good at it, you don't even need to be good at it. Almost everyone is good at imagining. Let your imagination carry you. So yes, an author will lay down the words for you, but you have the ultimate reconstruction of her words or his words in your mind. So find a book that interests you and then read a book and switch between genres. Find something that you like. Go from self-improvement books to educational books to historical books to stroke history, stroke reality, stroke everything, documentaries, or documentaries are actually videos, but you get what I'm trying to say. Find books that there are many books. And if you do not want to read a book, then there are ebooks. There are many online, many audio platforms that provide ebooks, and then find one and just listen to one while you relax and enjoy your day. So while you relax and enjoy your day, something else that you can do is learn a new instrument. If you have access to an instrument, or you have that old piano that's been sitting downstairs, that guitar that belongs to your dad, the trumpet that your uncle left for you, that flute that your little brother plays with every single day, yes, pick it up and just learn it. There are tons and tons and tons of YouTube videos and online sources that helps you to learn or helps you in learning an instrument. So learn an instrument. If you have a friend that can teach you an instrument, make a Skype call, a Zoom call, a party house call, and then you guys just learn instruments together. It makes things easy, makes it fun. And again, this is to occupy your time. It's not to stress you out. So do this with ease and with calmness. Don't try to I tried learning the piano. I haven't done the practice in a very long time, but yes, I did try to learn the piano, like learn to play the piano. And because I was trying to like hurry up, because I thought maybe I could learn it in like a month, which is possible, but maybe it wasn't for me. When it got to like day 5 and it looked like I was not learning much, although my instructor told me I was doing well. Shout out to you, Otto. I still felt very frustrated because I was trying to hurry myself up. But that is not the point of learning an instrument. You want to learn an instrument long term, something that you can enjoy and share with others. So when you're learning an instrument, calm down, be patient with yourself, and just let the thing flow. Don't stress out. If you don't get to the first week, you can get in the 3rd week. Nobody's chasing you, nobody's after you. It's an instrument that you're trying to learn for yourself and entertain yourself and keep yourself busy when there's nothing to do. So find something you're interested in. Guitar, piano, violin, anything. Get it. Something else that you can also learn is a software. Yes, I just said software. There are tons, and look, I'm not an IT person or a computer guru or anything like that, but after staying home for like 4 weeks, I have seen so many softwares in this world, I can't even. But what I'm currently interested in learning is how to Photoshop or that does not make sense. Not how to Photoshop, how to edit videos and how to edit pictures. So video and photography editing, all of that is what I'm trying to do. And I personally am a product advert expert. No, that's not true. I'm not a product advert expert, but I do product photography. So I am already interested in pictures and, you know, staging stuff. So I just wanted to add videography to it, and then how to like improve on my picture editing skills. So find a software that you like, or learn coding or something online, or that has a software that you're interested in, and try to learn that. They take a ton of time. So if you wake up by like 8 or 9 or 10 and you shower, you do your like morning routine and all of that, and then you start like working on your software, learning your software by like 12, when it's like 5 o'clock, your day is gone. Like you spent 5 hours learning this software. See, you've already occupied your time. That's something to do. See, and when you're done at night after resting for like 2 hours after learning your software, you can go and read a book for like another 2 hours. But before you know it, you have dinner, lunch, all of that. It's already 12 at night and you're exhausted because your brain has been working all day. So yeah, try it. Find a software to learn. Any software that is something you're interested in, find it and then learn it. Another thing that you can do to occupy your time while you're bored and there is nothing to do is find a goal to achieve. Now, I have been trying to learn how to split for the longest time. This particular goal goes along with my morning routine. So after I'm done working out in the morning, I add an extra like 30 minutes, 45 minutes to stretch. I have been trying to learn a split. I don't know how people do it, but like that's my goal in life. Yes. My goal in life is to learn a split, and it's not easy. See, I saw videos where they said people learn split in like a day or in a week. Guys, we'll be home for 4 weeks, so I'm Queen has not learned to split. Granted, I haven't been stretching every day, so that's partly my fault. But still, I've been trying. But I mean, I can see improvement. So the day I actually get my splits done, I'll show you guys. Okay, all right. Something that I actually found out in my 4 weeks of stay home. Yes, I keep saying 4 weeks, and it's actually more than 4 weeks, but I'm choosing to use 4 weeks because if I say the actual number, it scares me. But yeah, anyways, something I'm learning is how to save and make money. If you stay on YouTube for a long time, a video will pop up to tell you how to make money. If you stay on Instagram for just stay there for like 30 minutes, something your feed will come up and tell you that there's a way to make money online. Like, that's something I've been learning. Now, I'm not yet deep into it. See, Patricia Bright, right, is my role model in this. This woman owns property. She's a millionaire. She's a YouTuber. She's a fashion guru. She has her own businesses, all of that. And she's still saving money and still making money. So this is my plan in life. My plan in life is to save money and make money. Although I haven't started yet. But that is what I'm going towards. So I'm trying to learn how to invest, how to save, and how to receive it, because you can't invest anything if you don't have anything coming in. So that's what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to learn how to get different streams of income and how to save them and build a business, a brand, whatever, or just have money in my pocket so I can just have money in my pocket. And how about this? How about you learn a new language? Yes, okay. This is a thing. I know it is a thing, obviously it's a thing, but people actually know how to speak different languages. Now, I speak English because the communication or the official language for my country, I think, is English. I know it's English. But then, obviously, if you don't know, I'm a Nigerian. And in Nigeria, there are many languages. So I speak my language, my traditional language, and I speak English. Those are the only two that I know. And I know there are people that speak multiple languages. The languages that I'm interested in French, in Spanish, and in Hangul, which is Korean. And that thing really takes up your time. If you split your day in trying to learn 3 different languages like that, your day will be gone. Like, your day will just evaporate and you even know where it went to. So find a language that you're interested in. And I suggest if your country is multilingual, if you guys have multiple languages in your country, find another language in your country to learn so that you can communicate. Find another language in your country so that you can communicate with other people from other tribes or other ethnicities in your country. Think about it. Think about it. Don't give up on that thought. Hey, think about it. So now I've given you something interesting to do and you don't want to do it, right? So if you're a student, what else will you do now? You study. That's how to. If there's nothing to do, there is always studying to do. There is never enough studying done. You always need to study. Like if you're a student, it's imperative, it is important, it is for your best interest and your future that you study. I know you don't like the idea of studying, neither do I, but we have to do it now. Like what else? What other choice do we have? We have to study. So, and if you own a business, this is the best time to gain more information about your business, learn more about your business, about your competitors, about your customers, about how to grow your business online. We are in the online age. Like everything is shut down now, so you can't even go anywhere. So this is the best way to learn how to promote your business online. And there are multiple resources out there on YouTube, on Google, on the internet. Even physically, you can contact anybody, literally. If you want people to help you on how to improve your business, there are so many people out there. Reach out to someone, join Facebook groups, find a niche that you are in and join it, and then see how to improve your business and learn more about your business. The next point is build something. If you're a crafty person and you're very resourceful, build something. It can be homemade crafts, it can be like something big if you have like machines and stuff, and you can build a big project, like build a coffee table, build a dining table if you have these resources. Now I'm into woodworking. Now I don't know how to woodwork, like I don't know how to do anything with wood by myself, but when I'm bored, right, actually go on YouTube and watch woodworking videos. I watch stuff like that because first of all they are very like calming to me, and I like to see people create stuff. So if you're like me, you like to watch it and you also have the resources that they do, then try making some of the things that you see on YouTube, some of the things that you see on Instagram or on the internet. Try to be crafty with the resources around you. Stroke that. Along with being crafty is agriculture. Learn to plant new stuff. If you have a garden around you and you have access to like plant pots or a place to actually just nourish the earth, if you had a place to grow stuff, to grow like plants, not cactus, yes, is it cactus? If you have a place to plant things, then go ahead and do that. Again, multiple resources are available to you if you have access to the internet, or you can go to your local farmer and then be friends with him and be like, oh, excuse me, how do you plant this, how do you plant that? That's if you have access to go outside, obviously. Or if you have, someone who knows a thing or two about agriculture and how to plant things, then you do that. Planting is very calming and you get to watch your production grow. Like you get to watch your handwork grow, and it's one thing that teaches you patience. So get to learn how to plant things, learn more about agriculture. And I can promise you with this one, if you are bored, you will not be bored again. Clean your house from top to bottom. Clean your entire house. Like declutter your closet. You see those clothes you've not worn for the past 3 years, 4 years, 5 years, 6 years, that you're like, I'll wear it one day. Like that one day is not going to come. You don't even like dress, and even if you like it, it's not your style. It's because somebody gave it to you and you think it's expensive, so you're like, I'm going to keep it because I'm going to wear it. You're not going to wear it. Get rid of it, sell it, or give it to someone that would appreciate it more. So declutter your house, declutter your closet, go into your pantry, anything that has been there for months and doesn't look like it's going to be eaten or cannot be eaten. Get rid of it. Clean your house from top to bottom. And then again, especially during this period, it's important that you actually keep your homes clean. Then right next to decluttering your home is decluttering your email. A few days ago, right, I was so bored, or not bored, but I had like time on my hands and I was like, I can't even find some emails. I mean, you can type in like what you're looking for, but if you have multiple of those things, you won't be able to find the particular one you're looking for. So this is the best time to free up your email. If you have thousands of unread emails, thousands of unread messages, this is the best time to go through them and sort your email out so that you can have access to the important information that you need. So try and do that, guys. That also takes up a lot of time. Remember, we are trying not to be bored. Okay, this is the aim. Try not to be bored. And I know it sounds like I'm mentioning things that are boring so that you will not be bored, but physical activity takes your mind off of boredom. The more you are inactive, the more you think like, oh, I'm so bored, and that's because you're not moving yourself, you're not using your energy. So I'm giving you suggestions that get you moving so that you are less bored. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys try out these things. If you have any more ideas on how to, you know, get yourself on board or find something to do when you're bored, or what to do when you have nothing to do, please leave it in the comment section below. I would like to hear from you, so in case I'm bored also, and after I've tried all of these things on my list, I still need something to do, I can come to your comment and then find something to do there. Suggest whatever you think there is that someone can do when they're bored. And if you have any questions, concerns and ways to improve this video, please let me know also in the comment section below. If you like these tips, these tricks, these suggestions, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and hopefully I'll see you next time in the next video. You can check, I don't know what site it is, for my previous videos and videos that are related to this, and for my fashion illustration videos if you are interested. And I'll see you here again next time. Have a wonderful day.